All right, so after numerous epic sandstorms, I thought I had lost this keyboard and was looking into more ruggedized keyboards that could handle such storms. Though luckily, after disassembling it, I was able to discover that it is possible. In the worst case scenario, all of these little buttons have to be individually removed and the little compartments that they snap into have to be brushed out. But I've developed a technique with this combination of brushing of the back of the keyboard and just trying to get flexibility and smooth action from the back, and then testing it, flipping it, reversing it over and over, and then whatever it gets stuck, whatever doesn't visibly appear to have dropped all the way back into a free falling position, then I have to just jab back and forth until it gets loose. And then the sound that you're hearing now, once it's back and reassembled, is the indication that everything's back to normal.